Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brock, and we're gonna get back to, wow, some good lighting. Gonna get back to this hydraulic valve. So, I'm gonna take it apart. Okay, try this again. Gonna take this apart. Maybe. Well then. Something smaller. It's got a lot of garbage in it. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Apparently those are smaller. Alright, well, go ahead and take this one out. Even though it's probably just the seals in, yeah, see, those need cleaned out still. In these, I want to take them apart, reseal the whole thing. So in doing so, I want to also reseal these, the detents, and the rods that go through it. So that way everything is basically all resealed. It's hopefully like new, and he won't have any issues with it going forward. I need to turn this up a little bit. Get down in there. Maybe. Sorry for the lighting. If the lighting's not very good, I'm doing the best with what I got. I had new lighting in here, and I had LEDs, some nice ones. Lit up the whole garage, and had them for about a week or two, and they burn out. So that's about all the farther it went with that. Well, I might get this off. I don't know. Maybe I'll take that off first. So it's kind of easier to get to. I just lay some pig mat down, help soak up the oil, because when you take these apart, there's going to be oil come out everywhere. comes apart there. There's oil coming out everywhere. Set that off to the side. I'll get this one off. Looks to me like about all these are going to be square O-rings. Yep. And the thing is it looks like they might all be the same size. We'll have to see. I'll have to do some digging and make sure I get all the get all the right O-rings. Okay. There's that part. Get these detents apart. I have to get my other wrenches out. Probably go ahead and just take these levers off, get them off out of the way. Take the little retainer clip off. And then hopefully that'll go out. Or is that, it might be a solid shaft there. Let's go ahead and take those off. Now, I'll just pull it out. That looks like it's got plastic bushings in it, which one of them's broke. Might need to get some of those. Take this clip off. All right. This thing's just leaking oil everywhere. All right, now, those, as far as those go, Shouldn't have to take any of that apart. Let me get yummy. Yep, got an O-ring down in there. Looks like the spring and everything's good. Okay, went ahead and messed with it. Went ahead and messed with it, and I broke it. So, these ones unscrew, just like so. They unscrew. You take that little clip out. It's got the little detent balls inside for the coupler. What the heck? Something's messed up with that spring. Anyway, then you got this piece that goes inside. It's got no ring there. And then that there. I might see how much these cost to just replace. I mean, I have to replace at least this, but I kind of doubt this is sold separately anymore. And I don't know, they kind of did some looking. They have a different conversion kit for them, but to reseal these is kind of a pain. But there's two seals down in here. When you screw this in, this goes down and seals between those two seals. Yeah, seals between the two seals in there. Supposed to unscrew. I looked up to find a tool. There's like a socket deal that goes over top of this, and then a pin that goes on one of these or both of these on both sides. Either way. Well, I tried to home make my own one. And as you see, it didn't work out too well. I had to heat this up to kind of get it to break free. But basically how you take it apart, and without ruining the rest of these, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do there. Hopefully, where I work, I might have a tool to do it. I'll have to look, but if not, that'll be interesting. So basically they unscrew. I screwed this one up, but well, I mean, I'll end up fixing it. But anyway, get these unscrewed. Well, like I say, once I get all the O-rings and stuff and whatnot, we'll get to rebuilding it. But that is going to be that for this video. But like I say, just unscrews out of the housing. Did a little looking. I got a whole breakdown diagram of these that I can look at, but did a little looking and then realized they unscrew. So, and then seeing that there was a tool for it, and I was like, oh, they shouldn't be that bad to come out, and I broke it. So, but basically everything unscrews, take it out, reseal it. But that's gonna be it for this video. And like I say, it's just one of those things that you just don't know. I mean, there's couplers are so different on every tractor, but yeah, you learn, and I mean, make mistakes, but you learn from them. But anyway, until I get seals, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. I sure did. But that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. God bless you.